Welcome to this guided Kundalini meditation. Today, we'll be awakening your inner energy through powerful breathing techniques, specific mudras, and a peaceful mantra. Kundalini meditation helps release mental, emotional, and energetic blockages, allowing you to access a deeper awareness and inner peace. As you practice, you may notice sensations of warmth, heightened focus, and clarity. If you're new or enjoy meditations like this, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay connected for future videos. Now, let's begin our journey together. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, keeping your spine tall and aligned. Close your eyes gently. In this practice, we'll be using mudras, sacred hand gestures that help channel energy within the body and calm the mind. Each mudra creates a specific energy circuit that will support your meditation, inviting a deeper awareness and grounding. Through the combination of breath, mudras, and the Om Shanti mantra, this meditation will harmonize your mind, body, and spirit. Let's begin with deep breathing to ground ourselves. Place your hands on your knees, palms facing down, and take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold this breath briefly, then exhale fully through the mouth. Let's repeat this deep breath 2 more times, inhaling slowly and deeply, holding briefly, then exhaling fully. Allow any tension to melt away. Now bring your awareness inward, sensing your body, your breath, and your energy. Become present in this space, letting everything else fall away. We are going to practice the breath of fire, a powerful breathwork technique that purifies the body and ignites inner energy. For the breath of fire, keep your mouth closed and inhale and exhale rapidly through the nose, pulling your navel inward on each exhale. The inhales will happen naturally. We'll start slowly to find a steady rhythm. Begin now and remember to breathe rhythmically and to pull your navel inward with each exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. Exhale deeply while pulling your navel inwards. Take a brief pause. Good. Keep going, letting the breath flow naturally. Inhale and feel your lungs expanding with air. Hold it at the top. Pull your navel inwards as you exhale. Keep breathing like this and find your natural rhythm. As you continue to breathe, become aware of the silent moments between your inhalation and your exhalation. Inhale deeply. Become aware of the space inside your body. Hold at the top. Now exhale, pulling your navel inwards. Now let's increase the pace slightly. Allow the breath to become a natural rhythm, with equal focus on the inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold it. Breathe out through your nose, pulling your navel inwards. Can you sense any warmth in your body? Increase your pace of breathing. Inhale deeply. Hold it for a moment. Pull your navel inwards as you exhale through your nose. Continue your breathing, until you hear my voice guiding you deeper into your meditation. Take a deep breath in. Pause and hold. Pull your navel inwards and exhale fully. Notice any warmth or tingling sensations in your body. This is your energy beginning to awaken. Now let's incorporate the Gyan mudra to your breath of fire. Bring your hands to your knees, touching your thumb and index finger together, with palms facing upward. The Gyan mudra represents wisdom and open receptivity to higher knowledge. With each breath, visualize yourself drawing in wisdom and letting go of what no longer serves you. Let's continue with breath of fire in Gyan mudra for 1 minute. Begin the rapid breath now with a steady rhythm, drawing in energy with each inhale and releasing with each exhale. As you inhale, visualize air flowing into your fingers. Hold it. Pull your navel inwards and exhale what no longer serves you through the palms of your hands. Continue with breath of fire in Gyan mudra until you hear my voice guiding you deeper. Sense how your energy is waking up. You are in complete control. Now, take a deep inhale and hold it, feeling the energy circulate. Exhale fully and let the energy settle within. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine, the root chakra, where Kundalini energy lies coiled like a serpent. As you inhale, breathe into this spot at the base of your spine. Exhale through your nose by pulling your navel inwards. Keep breathing like this. Visualize this energy beginning to awaken, gently uncoiling and rising up with each breath. As you inhale, picture the energy moving up to the sacral chakra, located below your navel, activating your creativity and vitality. With each exhale, release any stagnant energy. Continue breathing while visualizing your rising energy in your body. Continue this rising energy visualization, moving up to the solar plexus at the navel, the center of your personal power. With each breath, allow this energy to build, fueling your inner strength. On your next inhale, guide this energy upward to the heart chakra. Feel it opening, bringing compassion and love. Breathe deeply here, allowing this energy to expand in your chest. With each breath, continue moving the energy up to the throat chakra, activating expression and truth. Inhale deeply, feeling a clearing and release. Now, move this energy to the third eye chakra, at the center of the forehead, the seat of intuition. Picture a bright light here, illuminating your inner vision and wisdom. Guide the energy up to the crown chakra at the top of your head, connecting you to divine consciousness. Visualize a radiant light here, uniting your entire being. Now we'll chant the Om Shanti mantra for peace. Place your hands in lotus mudra at your heart center, with your thumbs and pinky fingers touching, and the other fingers open like the petals of a lotus flower. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, softly chant Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Repeat this mantra aloud or in your mind, allowing its peaceful vibration to resonate within you. Visualize a calming light filling your heart, moving outward with each repetition, bringing harmony to your mind, body, and spirit. Let's continue chanting for another minute. Feel the mantra's vibration harmonizing the energy you've awakened, sealing it with calm and balance. Breathe deeply here, letting the sound and vibration bring you peace. Continue to hold lotus mudra at your heart center. Take a deep inhale, feeling the expansion in your chest, and exhale gently, feeling grounded and centered. Picture your heart as a radiant lotus flower, receiving divine energy and spreading peace through your entire being. Take a few more gentle breaths, allowing your energy to settle harmoniously. Savor the sense of openness and peace within. When you're ready, gently release Lotus Mudra, placing your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Take a moment to tune into your body, sensing how this practice has shifted your energy. Allow yourself to feel grounded and steady. With consistent Kundalini meditation, you can build resilience, access higher states of awareness, and experience a lasting sense of peace. Each session deepens your connection with yourself, allowing you to cultivate inner strength and clarity. Try incorporating this practice regularly, even a few times each week, to fully experience its transformative effects. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for joining today. Namaste.